Hi guys, today I will show you like a AC website where you can find a lot of useful Excel sheet for your work if you're working in as per like ASC. I think most of you guys are familiar with it. So like this for guys who are not seen this website, I'll just give you insight. There's a website steeltool.org. So with this you can find using ASC. So if you go to ASC Learning Center. Okay, so here you can go to technical resources and here steel tool. So this is the one, and apart from that, there are a lot of sheets are there and a lot of informations are there here for different type of design, which you can download and you can go through them. So it will be very useful. And here, so if you click on steel tool, it will direct to new website. So where you'll find a lot of useful Excel sheet here. So if you go to categories, you'll find so many categories. So let's just stick with the bolted connection. Okay. So here you will find a lot of like uh, shear and plate analysis as per ASC 13 edition, and so many like a lot of Excel sheets are there here for bolted connection. So you can download all these Excel sheets and you can practice on your own. So yeah, so you'll get a idea when you're reading AC manual. So you can download it and you can go through that. I'll show you here is end plate. So I'll just let me download this. Just click on this, so it will get downloaded. Okay. So here, like you'll have information how to use Excel sheet and who has like limitation and everything. So you can go through this. And like for end plate, as per A standard, generally we'll have 4 bolt configuration and 8 bolt configuration. So 4 bolt is nothing but if you go for design guide 4, you'll find this um, details. So here you will have 4 bolt at the top and 4 bolt at the bottom. This is called 4 bolt configuration, and another one is 8 bolt and plate configuration. That is like we will have top and bottom 8 bolts. So this is 8 bolt configuration. So there are so further categorization is unstiffened. That is like you don't have a stiffener at the top or bottom. It is for the plate. And another one is yes, stiffened. So here the major the reason for giving this stiffener is to reduce the end plate thickness. So with the stiffener you can reduce the end plate thickness. Okay, and yeah, so here you will find I think unstiffened design and end plate design. So here you will find all the input param or like what are the which are highlighted in yellow, all our input parameters. So other than like which are in blue, it will be taken care, and it will give notification whether it is now like you need to change the section or you need to increase the plate or everything here. So you can find a summary here. So here if you see here in few location like it's asking for like a stiffener required or double plate is required. So like where you have to fulfill the requirement, so then stress ratio will come to normal. And here, one thing I noticed is here you'll not get to know how they're linked here and how you are getting this value here and how the calculation has been done. So if you know the formula, then I think you can decode this. So for that, what you have to do is you go for review. Okay, the sheet is protected. You don't have to do anything. Just press unprotect sheet. So then your formula will start appearing here. So then you can click and you can see how it is linked. And also another one thing is like you can go to formulas here. You can trace from where the values are, from where the inputs are coming here. Okay, so using that you can easily find, so what are the depends are there, what are the presents are there. So all these details you can find. So you can remove the arrow by clicking on that relevant. Okay, so then okay, so here I just want to know from where this value is coming. Okay, in 5. Okay, so it is hidden inside, so you'll not get to know this unless you unhide this. See, if you see here, like a lot of things they have hidden it. So here you can find a lot of information. I feel, yeah. So now I think, yeah. Now you go for, yeah. See here, this value, what you are getting here is from this location. Okay. So you to see, using this will help you to get to know from where the values are coming and how it has been worked out using the formulas. So you can find formulas also here, and also you can refer ASC manual and design guide as well. And here, like you have one side beam, and when you have both side beam, what is the criteria? And another was like 8 bolt configuration and 8 configuration both the side beam. Similarly, like here you will find a lot of other information like a lot of Excel sheets, so which you can download and you can check. Okay, yeah, here you can find shear tab in this Excel sheet. Like shear tab is nothing but like a plate attached to the column or girder and which will connect to the beam. So usually the shear tab will be welded to the column side and bolted to the beam side or welded to the beam side. So example like I'll show you here. There is a shear tab like welded to the column and bolted to the beam. So this can be welded as well. So you can find and you can like you can Google and you can find um, what are the different types of connection and a lot of literature also you will find here. Okay, and similarly you can find for welded connection, footing and base plate, beam analysis, column analysis, and load calculation. Another one important is load calculation. So where you will have a lot of Excel sheets related to the wind load and seismic load calculation, moving load calculation as well. So which I feel is very much useful. And for bracing connections, so you'll find a lot of calculations. Yeah, similarly you can go through like in miscellaneous also you'll find like required like cover sheet and sketch sheet. So many information is available here. So you can download all this and you can try like decode what they have done and which in turn it helps a lot in your learning as well. Hope those who have not seen this website for them it will be useful. So um, just follow what they have done and try to decode how it is being done. Okay, so like if you want to see the formula, so just go to review and unprotect the sheet, so then you can see all the relevant information. And in between like they've done so many um, columns so which you can unhide. Just I'll show you how to do that. So just select, right click and unhide, so all the, what are the hidden information you will get it, so it will be very useful for you to formulate your own hmm, uh, worksheet. I'll keep this link in video description. Hope this is useful for those who are using it for the first time.